Hey guys, I'm Melly. Welcome to my channel. If you are not new here, then welcome back. By the way, I just got my fresh new set Halloween nails and I am obsessed with them. The look I'm gonna be trying out today is going to be the Black Swan with a spin on it. The movie came out 10 years ago, so I kind of want to do something like that's more me a little bit, but still, you know, try to keep it as close to the original as possible. So for this look, she is very pale in the movie. However, as you can tell, I just kind of got a spray tan a couple days ago. If you do want to stick to the original and just do like a really pale foundation, then you can. I'm just gonna keep my foundation routine sort of the same, except I'm not going to do any highlight. We want to keep everything very matte. Quick side note, for this look, eyebrows are really not needed because we're gonna be drawing right over them, so don't even worry about your eyebrows. So first, what we're gonna want to do is grab an eyeliner, a liquid liner, or you could do a gel liner. I'm personally gonna just go in with liquid because that's just what I'm more used to. I'm even gonna take my ring off because I want to be really precise. So I'm gonna be taking Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid liner, and I'm just going to start drawing a line like towards the side of my nose and up and out. If I don't speak, guys, it's because I'm literally trying to be very precise, so my apologies. And we're going over the brow. That's why I told you guys not to worry about doing your brows, because either way it really doesn't matter. As we get towards the end, I'm just going to feather it out lightly. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and do my actual wing liner just to have that already done. And I'm actually going to take a different eyeliner because this one is running out on me. To go ahead and take my Morphe Make It Big liquid liner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw like a super thick wing. So now I'm gonna make these two lines right here connect like that. I'm also going to take this and run this on the bottom. We're just gonna be drawing random lines, and do not fill them all in because we do want to keep some for the silver. All giving up on me. Let's try out the Patrick Star. The one size. Well, it is Patrick Star, but the one size point made in black. Okay, yes, this is what I'm talking about. This one is not playing no games with me, period. I'm just going to be coloring in some of these spots. It doesn't really matter the order. I kind of wasn't happy with the way that the ending or the wings was coming, so I just added a little bit of this white liner. It's called Space Panda from Morphe, and I was just like doing light strokes. My camera had died, so that's why I couldn't film it for you guys. Now I'm gonna be going in with Colorpop Star Party, and this is a glitter gel, and we're just gonna be filling in the rest of the spaces that are not yet filled in. And this part, you could be a little messy. You could have the glitter like overlap. It doesn't really have to be perfect. Next, I'm gonna take these little jeweled stickers, and I'm gonna be cutting it, and I'm just going to be applying it right above the brow, or where the brow would be. So I'm just going to apply it right on the outer part, like that. Okay, so my camera was not recording when I thought it was. I don't know what's going on today, but I have applied some contacts. You are supposed to use red contacts for this look, however mine have not arrived yet. For lips, I'm going to be doing a red lip, and right now I'm outlining it with Juvia's Place Luxe Liner in the shade Brownie. So right now I'm just gonna be going in with Juvia's Place Perfect Red over this lip liner, just to give us a bright red look. So this is the finished look. I am really actually happy how this turned out. I wasn't really sure midway if it was going to look even somewhat similar to Natalie Portman's look on the movie, but I'm actually really happy at how it turned out. For my first Halloween look of the year, I'm not complaining. I really hope you guys like it as well. Please don't forget to hit thumbs up if you do. Also, let me know in the comments what other Halloween tutorials you guys might want to see on my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one.